All right, Len back out in the field. I'm not hunting today, doing a little bit of recording. Got Jim again after that token. He's got another good high signal, right?
All right.
Let's take a peek at his VDI. I'll walk around here. Using the 9-inch HF coil.
Block's on good too.
95, Alan. What do you think? Pop can?
A little chunk of iron.
Well, that's a straight 95. Let's see what the heck it is. What?
Watch fob.
Watch fob? Is it a fob? Man, look at the size of this fob. That ain't a fob.
What's a buckle?
That's a, man, that's a buckle. Let me see the front again. What the?
Dollar sign?
Dollars.
That's a snake.
That's a snake, dude. It looks like that's a snake around a branch or something. Jim, what is it? You're the oldest here. What is it? What is it?
I'm not quite sure, but it's probably hold up your pants.
Here, let me. That is a buckle, guys. We'll get back to you on this one. We don't know.
Nice. It's a nice one.
All right, catch you guys later.